Hey guys, we're gonna work on changing the tie rod, or not the tie rod, the drag link ends on this 1863 Cub Cadet tractor today. Most of the other Cubs are like this one as far as the parts, even on some of the low boys and some of the smaller farmals and whatnot, they use this same tie rod end. So should be kind of interchangeable information across the board. I don't know how much will cross, but I had that just jerry rigged up on there. See, it just fell right off. I had it rigged up to just be able to move it around the shop here. I would never try and operate it with a zip tie on there. I might be crazy, but I'm not dumb. So anyway, that came apart really easy. And it's starting to spin. And I don't have enough hands to hold the camera and get that apart. I'm going to see what it takes to get that little weasel off of there. Probably going to have to get a socket and get on the other side of it. But anyway, I'll film what I can. But I'm going to have my hands full too. So bear with me on this. I don't know how much y'all can see from over there, but we're going to see what we can do. I'll edit it out if it sucks. Now I'm getting wound up and throwing stuff. I'm not going to try and replace one end at a time. That's ridiculous. Now, it looks like there's a upside down phone in this nitwit's hands that's trying to fix this frickin' lawnmower. No, I'm just kidding. Trying to see down in here. There's a cotter pin in that rascal. See if I can straighten it out with the pliers. Anyway. Alright, I need two hands. I'm going to get this damn cotter pin out of here and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, we're back here. We're going to get this other tie rod end off of the tractor here. And to do that, I'll have the assistance of Jake, the crazy shop spaniel over here. Hi Jake. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? Okay, back up. Good boy. Alright, and I'll be using this nifty old like $15 or $20 Cowhawk 3/8 drive butterfly impact wrench. This thing saves me a lot of busted knuckles on these mowers and stuff because I'm working in tight quarters, but I still have impact capability. It's a 3/4 inch socket on there. Right off. There we go. Surprised I didn't have a lock washer on it. Huh. Oh well. Oh, there is a washer on it. I think we'll just put this right in the vise to begin with. There isn't any sense in my... Crap, I need three hands. I'm still getting used to holding the camera and trying to work one-handed, guys. There we go. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to put this in the vise. You can't see through my hand. Turn that in. I'll just leave that loose, and I'll leave this jam nut loose until I've got it on the tractor. That way I can adjust it a few degrees one way or the other just to make it hook up properly. Do the same thing on this other end. Not sure how well you guys can see that. Well, that's just exactly where I wanted that anyway. Just thread that new part on back on there. I ordered these online from Steiner Tractor, and they were a fraction of the cost that I could have got them from the dealership. They gave me a really sweet deal on that. Had them both shipped to my door for less than the cost of one from International. Alright. With these new replacement ends from Steiner, I can put these nylon lock nuts on there instead of saving out those rascals that I thought I was going to have to save. And I can put those in the fancy high-dollar nut and bolt storage that I have over here. Oh, hi, Jake. Oh, oh. You silly Springer. Yeah, you're silly. You're silly. You're a goofy animal. Yes, you are. Okay, I know. I love you too, buddy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dude, I gotta get back to work. Okay. I don't know how good the video is gonna be here, guys. What you can see and what you can't, but I gotta get cracking on this deal. So I'm just gonna kind of set you down looking back in there and hope for the best. And there's how that, whoa, yeah, you guys have got to be getting seasick from this. There's how that goes in there. Then that one is the one underneath it as well. So I'm going to grab the impact and zip those back down. And the cool part is, we don't have to monkey around with the dang cotter pin in underneath there in the dark. So, awesome design there. Okay, guys. I hope the camera stays put. If it doesn't, you're just going to have to cope. But I got to reach in here with a wrench. I'm going to hold the back side of that. Ouch. That. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dadgummit. Get there. There. Alright, cool. Ah, crap, the phone fell. Alright. Ow. I don't know what you guys can see from down there, but it'll be interesting when I watch it again. I always wondered what it's like to be riding in a cell phone when it went crashing onto the garage floor. Get the ratcheting wrench. Okay. Those don't need to be stupid tight, but they should be snug. The reason I was hammering on that last one with the air gun was that thing really doesn't have a whole lot of torque. I just like it for small stuff. Well, there's still some play in the steering wheel, but there's no more play in that, I'll tell you. Good deal. Perfect fit up on the parts from Steiner's. What do you think of that, Jake? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, wag, wag, wag. Alright. Nope. We can stick a fork in this cub, it's done. If you're liking the repair videos, give me likes and thumbs up and stuff. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and I'll make more videos as I fix more broken stuff around the farm here. So, and the likes and comments and stuff, they help the channel grow, so that's awesome. Thanks guys, catch you later.